Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is of course the power settings in the Settings app in Windows 10. Now this is from a mini PC that is not a laptop, so there are less options that you might see in your own Settings app, because if you have battery power in a laptop, then you will of course have the options for the power saving modes for battery. But if you go to your start menu and into the settings, you will of course go to system, and the battery options, or the power settings actually options, are on the left side at power and sleep. In here right now, what you see is for a standard desktop, for example, you will have of course the screen will shut down after some time. I always choose never on a device that doesn't have battery power. And of course, sleep options that I always choose never also. And then you have performance, a slider for performance that is available here. Now, when you look at this screen, there will be other options for those on laptops, including battery power, where you will have an option to choose when the computer goes to sleep or when the screen is going to shut off in battery power. And battery power will also have its own energy saving modes. So these are all going to be in here if you have a laptop. To note that on the right side it says additional power settings. When you click here, it actually brings you to the power settings that are in the control panel. Remember, a lot of the power settings are often used by an app or by a manufacturer defined mode. Why? Because the manufacturer of your laptop or computer might actually know better how to perform and get best battery life, for example, on the computer you have. So often it overrides some of the Windows settings in the power. One thing for sure is, even if you have battery power here and all the settings, it is a very simplistic page compared to what Windows 11 has with its new power settings and power options, including the graph for battery usage, which is pretty nice. So this is where it happens, but it doesn't happen like in Windows 11 also. It doesn't all happen here. Some of the settings for the power options are actually within the control panel rather than just the Settings app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.